Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. And this is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. And our today's topic is answering question number 3. Okay, dear students, now let's see the board. Subject Islam, topic answering question number 3, term annual 21, lesson number 30, SW number will be 27, and today's date. Okay, students, now let's start our today's topic, answering question or question answer number 3. What is tashdid? And the answer is tashdid is a sign which is used with harakat above Arabic letters. The sign of tashdid is like this one. Dear students, I repeat, what is tashdid? And the answer, tashdid is a sign which is used with harakat above Arabic letters. The sign of tashdid is like this one. Okay, dear students, now SW, your SW topic will be same, that means question number 3. Okay, students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.